Hi there, here is a neat little trick to use up these bottles of perfumes, essences, infusers, diffusers, ittars and the like. We may buy these bottles or we may get them as gifts, but after a few days of enthusiastic use, we just forget about them and they keep lying on our shelves occupying space. So this is a neat little trick to use up these bottles. I have opened one of these bottles, discarded the cap and the cover, and then I have used kebab sticks that are available readily. These sticks you can see now when they are wet, they have this look, and when they are dry and fresh, they look like this. So just simply immerse the stick, it becomes a reed infuser and it will absorb the liquid and it will evaporate, giving your bathroom or your cupboard a nice fragrance. So the best part about this is that you simply put these sticks and there's no other work. You just forget about it till the solution runs dry and then you can shift to the next one. Thank you.